Hi. All right. Let's talk about the connection speed of your internet guests. If you're recording a podcast and you have guests that are on the other side of the world or in the next state, they're connecting through the internet. Well, guess what? The speed of their internet connection plays a big part in capturing good audio. So if someone connects to your podcast and their connection speed is really slow, there's going to be dropouts. There might be some distortion. There might be other problems. The connection might just sever for several minutes at a time until they return. A lot of problems can happen due to a slow internet connection. So basically, when you connect with internet guests as part of your sound checking them, you should ask them and just confirm that their internet connection is good and stable and fast enough. Now, one of the best ways that anyone, even you or the guests or hosts or anyone, if you're connecting anywhere over the internet, it's best to have a hardwired connection to the internet using an Ethernet cable, which will connect right to your computer, and then it connects to the router. And that's a wired connection. A lot more data can flow over that wire as compared to a Wi-Fi connection. Now, I realize almost everyone connects with Wi-Fi in their home, in their business, right? And that's okay. Wi-Fi is fast enough to record good audio over the internet, but then you just have to sort of make sure that they're somewhere near the router, that the Wi-Fi connection is strong and solid, and then that's pretty good. What else is here in my notes? I'm looking at the Daily Goody post from January 4th, 2019, which I'll link below. But yeah, having a hardwired connection and making sure they have a good Wi-Fi connection. If you have someone connecting from a phone via Wi-Fi or even with a phone call, it's really good to tell them to just stay in one place, because if they move around or walk around, that's when the connection can drop or, be glitchy, stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. Just make sure before you hit record that your guests have good internet connection, and it's just a good thing to do before you start recording, to make sure do everything you can to make sure that the recording is going to go well. And because you don't want to get 20 minutes into a good conversation and then the guest just starts dropping off, or even 2 minutes into the conversation and then they drop and they come back. And, even if you're using really good services like Riverside or Zencastr or Squadcast, those services record each participant locally on their own machine. But even in those cases, they usually work. 99.99% they actually work. Even if someone glitches or drops off, those services will still keep a good recording. But if someone's connection is really bad, there's an unlimited number of problems and issues that could occur, right? Because we don't know, right? So you just want to do the sound check properly, make sure they have a good connection, and then go forward from there. So that's it for this one. I'll just make sure you know that the Podcast Engineering Show is my podcast. You can listen to that. And you can also sign up to receive the daily goodies in your email. And of course, that's the website for Podcast Engineering School, teaching people how to earn a great living from home, producing podcasts for other people and companies. So thank you. We'll see you soon. Take care.